Where have y'all been? I've been waiting for y'all to do this math. Okay, hey guys, it is Miss Harkins, and I hope you have been having a ramtastic day. Okay, we're still going to continue to talk about y equals mx plus b, slope, and y-intercept. Remember, slope is my m, y-intercept is my b. Okay, this is all about linear relationships. Let's go ahead and get started. Y'all already know about my screen. I don't even have to say it. Come on, screen. There it goes. Okay, so Mr. Martin receipts a gift card for Coffee Express. Mr. Martin purchases a coffee each morning with the gift card as shown in the table. Okay, write an equation. We know the equation is y equals mx plus b to determine b, the gift card balance after D days. Remember, a balance is going to be like my total cost. And so this would be my X and this would be my Y. So in reality, they want it to be B equals MD days. We're not going to write it that way. Nope. Because that seems confusing. We're still going to use our y equals mx plus b. Okay. So, if I notice on my table, I don't have a starting point. I don't have when x is 0. So, let's go ahead and find our slope first. Let's find our slope. Remember, slope. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, I'm going to do 3550 minus 31 over 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. 3550, hang on, 3550 minus 31. I know what that is in my head, but I just don't want it to get it wrong here, so that's why I'm putting it in my calculator. So we have 450 over 2, so 450 divided by 2. We're going to have it as 225. So we use 225. That's my slope. That's what I'm going to be multiplying each time. So let's go ahead and start writing our equation. Y equals 225 x plus whatever my starting point is. So let's go ahead and start plugging it into our formula. So for example, I'm going to have 225 here, and I'm going to multiply that by 2 because I have 2 days. So 225 times 2 gets me 450. So 450 plus something is going to get me my 3550. How can I figure out this missing amount? Remember, by doing inverse operations, right? So I could subtract 450 from each side. Oops. So blank equals 31. So remember, my y-intercept is 31. I started off with $31 at the beginning of my gift card balance. So, but they want us to use B and D. I have to answer my question. So B equals 225 X is D, because getting that from here, plus 31. So I answered my question, but I still use my y equals formula, okay, or my y equals equation. Let me go ahead and we're going to do the we do problem together. And I'm going to go ahead and read while we wait on the screen to pop up. There it goes. Okay, so Mr. Reeves buys concert tickets online The ticket provider charges a one-time convenience fee. So remember, that's going to be my B, because B is talking about fees and one-time amounts, our initial amounts, with each online purchase. Each online purchase, okay? The table shows the total cost for purchasing each number of tickets. So remember, this is my X, this is my Y. I'm still going to be using Y equals MX plus B because they want me to make an equation where C is the total cost for N tickets. If I notice, I do not have a starting point here. I don't have where X is 0. So I'm going to go ahead and start with my slope. Okay, so 202.50 minus 127.50 over 5 minus 3. Okay, I want you to turn and do that while I do that. Okay, what did you get? Okay, I got 74.70. Yep, same. Okay, 5 minus 3 is 2. So now I need to divide that. I get 37.35. So again, this is my slope. So I'm going to make my equation. Y equals 37.35 x plus. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and plug these things into my formula, my equation, to try to figure out what's my y-intercept. So I'm going to do 37.50. 37.35. Times, I got 3 as my X plus equals 127.50. Okay, so let's go ahead and do 37.35 times 3. So I get 112.05 equals 127.50. Okay, I got to figure out what my missing amount is. And so remember, inverse operations, what's the opposite of a positive 112? Negative. So 127.50 minus 112.05 gets me, okay, so my y-intercept is 15.45. But wait, they want us to use C and N. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite it. C is my total cost, so I know that's my y. I got 37.35. My X represents my N, the number of tickets, plus 15.45. Okay, this is my equation. All right, guys, so now you're going to go ahead and work on the quizzes, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a wonderful day. Bye.